let your kids watch it!
Warning. This is not a true makeup tutorial. This is for entertainment purposes only. The makeup being used in this video is used as a pocket.
Stop. I have pretty eyes.
Do it! Just do it!
Oh, yeah. I have an itch right there. It's really scratchy. Oh, my pregnancy test. I love Luke. Slap it. Pink stuff right there. Want treats? I just pooped my pants. Oh yeah. Wipe it. I'm late. Shitball. Ooh. I don't want it. Take your tits out. I'm gonna kick you in the balls. Right there. Dope. Boys go. I got big tits. Yeah. We should be best friends, okay? I'll hit you with this. Hold on, I have to change my pants. But I'm gonna do it with this. Shimmer shine. This stuff hides everything. Ugh. Now I can fly. No. I like milk. Wow. This is brown or orange purple. So this is it. You just gotta pop it like that, and then yeah. This makes your boobs look bigger. You want your boobs to look bigger. Because they're so small, we want them to bigger. Somebody kiss me. I know. It's look bigger. Wait. Ooh, YouTube. Wipe it there. Oh yeah. This'll get all the boys on you. Cause you gotta get that D, baby. Okay? Okay, you're crazy. You're crazy.
Damn, son.
I had a bad hair day. Okay, not once, but twice. See this?
Oh.
That's it for my tutorial. I love beef jerky. Anyway, I think I need another drink.
Gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. And you already know me, S-A-G-E.
Okay, so now I need to take off the makeup so he doesn't see that I put all this extra makeup on. This is not what I don't normally go like this. I'm a pretty simple girl. I do a little bit of blush here and there and a little bit of mascara. That's as far as I really go nowadays. I don't even do eyebrows much. This is the darkest I've ever had my eyebrows. Anyways, but this is like, whoa, so if I go out there, he's gonna be like, the heck did you do to yourself? So, I'm going to take it off. I almost don't want to take it off. I mean, it's growing on me, I think. I mean, especially this like contouring thing going on. I mean, it's like hardcore.
Oh, okay.
I mean, hardcore. Like, hardcore. Oh my god, and look how big my lips look. I mean, like, ooh. So, like, not me. There they are. Take out this bad boy. Oh my god, like magic. And by the way, I'm not professionally doing contouring. I'm literally being sarcastic about it. People go all out on contouring, and I thought I'd be excessive about it. Okay, so there's my regular look. Wait, hold on. Here's my mom look. Here's my mom look. And then here's Crazy Gabby look. There's Crazy Gabby. Oh yeah. And there's me again. Just me. Thanks for watching.
Hey, that's pretty good.